Wonderful, wonderful. What happens if we don't think about Krishna, Prabhuji? What did Krishna tell about that?
Krishna says that you should remember me and also do your work.
Yes.
Tasmat sarveshu kalesu mamanuspara jiddhacha. Because
Yes.
if you devote upon me, I mean, Mayarpitamana buddhi, if you keep your mind upon me constantly, then you will definitely attain me. There is no doubt. And you can do it by abhyasa yoga yukta. I mean, by continuous practice only, you can do it. This is possible.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. So Krishna gave a very important information for us. Antya Kale, whoever remembers only me, they will come to me for sure. Yeah. If not, whatever we are thinking, we will get that kind of status or situation in our next life. That's the beauty of Krishna's instruction. And further, Krishna also said us what are the different places, right? And what will be the reason for you to go to such places. And he also said about the quality of the different places in this material world and spiritual world. Yeah. And he also said how to reach him and defined very nicely the place where he's staying. Yeah. Such a beautiful place he described to all of us. Yeah. Hare Krishna. So we'll start with today's class. So today, as I said, you people from before, yeah, very important chapter. Yeah, the secret, the topmost secret. And welcome to the 9th chapter. So I'm Manjulila Padma Dasi. So the servant of the Lord. I am blessed that I always get an opportunity to discuss and repeat whatever Shri Krishna has said to the devotees of the Lord. Yes. And one important chapter is this chapter number 9. So we'll start with Pranamana Mantra as always. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Taking the blessings of my Shiksha Guru, His Grace Namanishadasa, and my Guru Maharaj. Nama Om Vishnu Padhaya Krishna Preshtaya Bhutale Srimate Jai Pataka Swamin Nitinamine Nama Acharya Padaya Nitai Kripa Pradayine Gaurakata Dhamadaya Nagara Gramatarine Nama Om Vishnu Padhaya Krishna Preshtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Nitinamine नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपा कथामयं ददाति स्वपदानितं वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणरघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णा चैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगणललितान् श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धो दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कान्ता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभय एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So we'll start today's chapter, that is chapter number 9, for the pleasure of Shri Shri Radha Govinda. So this chapter 9, Rajaguhya Yoga, the most confidential knowledge, the king of all the secrets. Guhya means secrets. Raja, king, yoga. So I request you all to stay back after the class for some time. Anyways, you are staying back. So some of you had a doubt in the quiz link. Today our admin Chitra Mataji is going to show you how to do it. So whatever the link is shared with you people, it's the right link for the quiz for level 1 itself. So there is a little bit of confusion. She'll help you out to clear the quiz. So please stay back till the end of this class. Hare Krishna. So in this chapter number 9, Krishna glorifies the knowledge he is about to reveal. So he'll tell for us what is this knowledge, why it is secretive, what kind of it is. He glorifies that knowledge. Aishwarya Jnana, Krishna's relationship with this world. Then different types of worshipper and the glories of Krishna Bhakti. These are the salient features of this chapter. Yes, Chitra Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Shri Bhagavan idam te guhyatamam pravakshyam yanusuyave jnanam vijnana sahitam yajnatva mokshase shubhat.
Hare Krishna. So Krishna is telling here, my dear Arjuna, because you are never envious of me, I shall impart to you this most secret wisdom, knowing which you shall be relieved of the miseries of material existence. Janma, Dukkha, Jara, Vyadi. Material miseries they are. Every one of us will go through it. And Krishna said to us in yesterday's chapter, right? What is this material world Krishna is expressing us? What kind of world is this? Anyone remembers?
Dukkalayam.
Hari Bol. It's Dukkalayam. It's filled with miseries and Ashashvatam. It is temporary. Yes. So this is the knowledge, the secret wisdom. If you know this, then you will be relieved of the miseries of material existence. And who are eligible to know this knowledge? Who are eligible? Any idea? Answer is in the shloka.
Devotees.
Yes.
Those
who
who
are
are
called
not envious.
Those who are not jealous of Lord
Very
Krishna.
good. Yes, that's very important. If you are envious of Krishna, why everyone praises Krishna? Why everyone glorifies Krishna? Even if he steals butter and he is, a thief, still people are glorifying him. They want him to make him as a hero, a superhero. I want to be hero. I should be doing whatever I do wrong. People should be praising me. I should be the leader. I should be the controller. I should be the one who should get everything. If you have such kind of mentality, you can't. Because Krishna is mentioning as such. Because you are never envious of me, I shall impart to you this most secret wisdom. Similarly, still when you sit down for the first chapter of this class, and if you can't make it clear, it means you're not ready to accept Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. You're envious of Krishna. Why should I pray for him? He's telling everything is me, only everything is in me. I am in everyone. Water taste is me. I am the light. I am the fire. He's telling everything me. No. They can't bear it. So if you're not envious, you're eligible to get the secret. Yes, the secret. Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Raja Vidya Raja Guhyam Pavitram Idam Uttamam Pratyaksha Dharmyam Susukam Kartum Avyayam.
Hare Krishna. Such a beautiful shloka. This knowledge is king of education. Raja Vidya. Raja Guhyam, the most secret of all secrets. Pavitram, it is the purest knowledge. And because it gives direct perception of self by realization, it is the perfection of religion, dharmyam. It is everlasting and it is joyfully performed. It's very important for us to get this knowledge. Whatever knowledge we have right now, we have got degrees, double degrees. We all are studying. At least we have basic education. What will this education help us? What is this knowledge going to do for us? What is the use of all this knowledge we have gaining in this material world? Why we are having this knowledge?
That
To
is for
help us
the
know more about Supreme Lord.
No.
that
I'm
is
talking about the
that is for our living, but this is for our life.
exactly whatever you're studying. Yeah, some are studying science, some are studying medicine, some are studying engineering, isn't it? Why we are studying all these things? To gain knowledge. For what reason? Very simple reason at last, to make yourself feel comfortable, and very basic reason, to fill your tummy, isn't it? Yeah. So this is for the materialistic world. We have to do one or the other thing. That is what Krishna said, isn't it? You have to work, do your duty for sake of doing your duty. That's it. Now, you need to know the king of all education that is given in this chapter. And it is the secret of all. That is why you see chapter number 9 out of 18 chapters, chapter number 9, it is exactly in the center. Krishna has kept it safely at the center of this Bhagavad Gita. Whoever has patience, whoever has trust, faith, never envious of Krishna, they only can hear this secret. It is purest because it is coming from Krishna, the original, the topmost, the Adi Purusha. Yeah, from him it is coming. So whoever hears it is going to be the purest. Yeah, and it will help you to realize yourself that you are the soul, not the body. And as Prabhupada, last time I played an interview clip of Srila Prabhupada, he said, what is religion? Religion is one which connects you to the God. And this knowledge will connect you to the Supreme. This is the perfection of your dharma. Yes, and please note that once you step into this path, you gain this knowledge and you apply it in your life. See, having knowledge is very important. And if you don't apply, it doesn't make any sense, isn't it? You might have knowledge and you can survive. What about application? For example, you might have read many books about how to swim. You might have seen many YouTube videos to know how to swim. Yeah. And you might have heard some lectures and all. Yeah. Some of the teachers who are coaching. But unless you get into the water and you practice, you cannot assure you can swim, only because you have the knowledge. So it doesn't mean once you have the knowledge, as soon as you jump into the swimming pool, you can swim. No, isn't it? You need to gradually practice and you can become an expert. Right? So Krishna is telling, once you start this knowledge, to gain it and then to put it into practice, it's everlasting. This knowledge is not only for Arjuna. This is not only for people in Dwapara Yuga. It's not only for the gods like Vivaswan, the sun god. Not only for Manu. Not only for Ishwaku. It is for all of us. Whenever you come, at whatever age you are, whichever yuga you are, whether you are a male or a female, whether you are belonging to different caste system, what we all have done right now, whatever, this is everlasting knowledge. And please note, Krishna is telling, Susukam Kartum Avyayam. You have to do this. Means it is done joyfully. You should not struggle. Pa, who will go to the job? Pa, who will go to the school? Who will write the exam? Who will handle this family? We are always frustrated. We always tensed when you are leading the materialistic life. But when you're doing the secret knowledge, when you're practicing the secret knowledge, then it is performed joyfully, not with lot of pain, suffering. Yeah, it should be done joyfully. That is it. So can you tell me, why is Bhagavad Gita called here as Raja Vidya? Why Raja Vidya? What is the reason?
Is it because
real-
it's the wisdom given to the kings?
No.
Supreme.
No.
It's
It's
supreme
the king
knowledge.
of all knowledge.
Why?
It gives the real purpose of our life, Mataji.
Yes. What is
It
that
gives us
purpose?
it gives us
To
a
go
path
back
to
to
Krishna.
Godhead, to abode of
Yeah.
Krishna.
You'll go to the topmost position, the supreme place. Yeah, you'll attain the supreme, isn't it? That is the king of all knowledge. The knowledge what you get from Krishna now, that is the ultimate knowledge. Above that, you have nothing to know. If you know this, you know everything. That's a king of knowledge. Yes, king of knowledge. And please note, it is
Hare
not only
Krishna,
for the
ma'am.
Hare Krishna.
Ma'am, it is at the end, no. How it's Rajaguhya means it should be a royal secret.
Okay. I'm sorry, I didn't get you, Prabhuji. Can you come again?
Yes, ma'am. If
Hmm.
we understood the Rajaguhya, now he is addressing to Arjuna.
Yes.
After finishing that only, we all will attain that biggest knowledge.
Yes. Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. So,
Hare.
Raja Vidya is not only for the kings. No. Some of us will think like that because Raja has come, Raja means king. And if you see Arjuna, Arjuna is not king. He's not a king, isn't it? But he got it. Means this is the king of all the knowledge, not the knowledge for the kings. Yeah, we get confused. It's king of all knowledge. Yeah, that is what we need to understand. There is no other knowledge like this. It is the ultimate knowledge. Yes, Mataji?
अश्रद्धाधानपुरुषाः धर्मस्यास्य परन्तप अप्राप्य मां निवर्तन्ते मृत्युसंसारवर्त्मनि.
Hare Krishna. Ashraddha, Ashraddha. Those who are not faithful, Purusha. So whoever is not faithful on the path of devotional service, in this path of devotional service, that is our dharma, isn't it? What is the human or the soul's duty? We are serving. We always serving. You're serving your body, you're serving your family, you're serving your country, one or the other. You're serving your friend, you're serving your enemy in some cases, right? So our natural duty itself is serving. Yes. So this service, when you do to Krishna, that is devotional service. But how you need to do? You should have faith. Faith is very important. That is the first step. Without faith, you cannot do it. So those who are not faithful on the path of devotional service cannot attain me. So you can't approach Krishna. You're chanting, you're simply chanting. Yes, as Ajamila's story we discussed, no? Simply, even if you carelessly take the Lord's name, there is a pala for that. You will be given an opportunity to do the devotional service. But if you do with your mind fixed on Krishna with lot of faith, you will attain Krishna. O conqueror of foes, but return to birth and death in this material world. So you will be given chance again and again to come back to this material world, and you will be having birth after birth and death after death. So please understand. So in this path, what Krishna is telling, the dharma, yeah, the path, dharmasya. What is it? The devotional path. You have to have faith on Krishna, faith on me. Mom, Krishna is telling here, Mom is on me. If not, Mrityu Samsara, you keep on coming to this birth and death cycle. Yes. By me, in my unmanifested form, this entire universe is pervaded. All beings are in me, but I am not in them. Such a beautiful shloka. Such a beautiful shloka. What Krishna is telling, everything is in me, I am not in them. Please note, yesterday I have also showed you the Goloka chart. Krishna as Paramatma, he is in everyone's heart, not Krishna himself. You understood? So there are 3 levels of understanding Krishna. We discussed this in chapter number 2 itself. First one is Brahman, Paramatma, and then Bhagavan. So Krishna as Paramatma is in everyone's heart, not Krishna himself. To understand this, we have a beautiful example here. So you all know this beautiful pastime of Sri Krishna. What happened? Krishna was eating the dirt, and Mother Yashoda was informed by Balarama that Krishna is doing such mischievous work. Yeah. So when Yashoda Maya came running and asked Lalla to open your mouth, Lalla, what is this? Are you eating dirt? And when he opened his mouth, to her surprise, Yashoda Maya saw the entire universe. And what was surprising is she saw the earth, and then she saw herself, and on her lap, Sri Krishna. That means we are all inside Sri Krishna. We are all in him, as he is telling in this previous sloka. We are all in him. He is not in us. You cannot hold him in us. Not possible. Krishna can hold all of us in him. We cannot hold him. Not possible. Yes, that's the beauty of this shloka. So all beings are in me, but I am not in them. How can you understand this statement in your own words? I just gave an example also. How can you feel this one?
Like sun's rays are pervading everywhere, Mataji, to every house.
Yes.
But sun is the same.
Yeah.
But each one can think that sun has come to his house and he can see the sun. Each one, he is impermeable, Mataji. He can travel everywhere. Like the
Yes.
sun
Yes.
radiation.
Yes.
Right.
Everything can, sun rays can touch everything. Everyone cannot go and touch sun. Right? Yes, yes, Mataji, true. You can understand by your own experience such things. Yeah, you can feel. Further in coming chapters, Krishna keeps on describing why everything is in him. Yeah, further many more shlokas are going to come. So Krishna explains to us, and yet everything that is created does not rest in me. Behold my mystic opulence. Although I am the maintainer of all living entities, and although I am everywhere, I am not a part of this cosmic manifestation. For myself, the very source of creation. It means he is creating everything. Yeah, he is controlling everything. He is the one who created this cosmic manifestation also. He is the one who is controlling Maya Devi also. Yeah, the 3 modes of material nature. Everything is happening because of him. He is the one who creates everything, and everything gets annihilated by his wish only. Yeah, but still he is not part of it. Yeah, he doesn't come under the influence of all these things. Yes, even though he is the very source of creation. It's very difficult to understand, no? Remember in the previous chapter, Krishna said, isn't it? Many will try to understand me. In that one might achieve perfection, but still that person cannot understand me completely. Very difficult to understand Krishna. Not so easy. Yes, not so easy. As I already given an example, if you have a memory card of 10 GB, but you have the data of 1 terabyte, you cannot transfer that data to that small pen drive, the flash. Yeah. Similarly, our materialistic conditioned mind doesn't have so much of capacity to know Krishna and to understand him. As the mighty wind blowing everywhere always rest in the ethereal space, know that in the same manner all beings rest in me. Please note, see in the first previous sloka he is telling, created, everything that is created does not rest in me. And here you see that is the same manner, that in the same manner all beings rest in me. Yes, if you think Krishna is like this, Krishna, everything is in Krishna, then how we are able to see Krishna? If everything is in Krishna, as he's explaining to Arjuna, then how could Arjuna see Krishna in front of him? That's a question, isn't it? That is the beauty of his creation. That is the beauty of his opulences. Everything is in him, but still everything is not in him. He comes as his own, in his own original form. But we think he is a form of some expansion, other expansion. Even though Krishna says, I'll come yuge yuge in my original form, the whole cosmic order is under me. By my will, it is manifested again and again. And by my will, it is annihilated at the end. So what we have the knowledge is previously also some of you kept on asking me such question. Brahma is the creator. But to see in this shloka, Krishna is telling it is manifested, everything, this cosmic order. So there are millions of Brahmanda. In that, we have earth and we are there, in different Brahmandas, there are earth. And people are there, living entities are there. So all these things are manifested again and again by Krishna, and they are annihilated again at the end by Krishna only. But we who have limited knowledge, we are fixed only to one Brahmanda, and we think Brahma is creating. He is just doing the duty for the Lord for this Brahmanda. But everything he is creating, who Shri Krishna, and he is annihilating it. Oh Dhananjaya, all this work cannot bind me. What work? Manifesting this cosmic world and annihilating it at the end. This work cannot bind me. I am ever detached from all these material activities, seated as though neutral. Seated as though neutral. Nothing affects him. He doesn't take part in anything. Because he is the creator. Very simple as such. This material nature, which is one of my energies, is working under my direction. So this entire material world which we saw yesterday, Devi Dama, this material nature, it's one of his energies. O son of Kunti, producing all moving and non-moving beings under its rule, this manifestation is created and annihilated again and again. He said about cosmic, now he's telling about the material nature also, so that we should not be confusing, oh, cosmic is created by Krishna and annihilated by Krishna. What about the material nature? Might be that's Brahma. No, Krishna is telling, under its rule, this manifestation is created and annihilated again and again. Yes, he is the source. He is the source. So, does Krishna come under the influence of Maya when he comes in human form? Krishna, when he came down to the earth, right? Do you think as we are suffering, as we are getting into the three modes of material nature and we are doing all sinful actions, or we are doing works which help us to gain punya, is Krishna forced like that? Does he come into influence of Maya?
No.
No. Krishna not even takes birth like us. He doesn't leave the body like us. No way. And he never leaves like us. Because we are controlled by the Maya Devi, the three modes of material nature. We are highly influenced by the three modes of material nature controlled by Maya Devi, not Krishna. Krishna is controlling the Maya Devi, the three modes of material nature. Yes. But what happens? Yes, Mataji. Chitra Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Avajananti mamudha manushim tanumashritam param bhavam ajanantaha mama bhuta maheshwaram.
Hare Krishna. But what will happen? Fools deride me when I descend in the human form. Mudha, fools. What they do? When Krishna comes in the human form, they deride Krishna. They do not know my transcendental nature as the supreme Lord of all that be. Bhuta Maheshwaram. Mama means I am. Mama Bhuta Maheshwaram. For everything, he is the supreme. A fool will never accept this. He will deride when Krishna comes in human form. He thinks Krishna is a normal person. He's not the supreme. Those who are thus bewildered are attracted by demonic and atheistic views. Yeah, in that deluded condition, their hopes for liberation, their fruitive activities, and their culture of knowledge all are defeated completely. It's of no use. Whatever they do for the liberation, whatever the fruitive activities they do, the culture of, and whatever their culture for knowledge, whatever knowledge they have, if it is not for the service of Krishna, then it's of no use. They won't get liberation at all. Don't get liberation at all. So usually there'll be demons in nature and they don't believe the existence of God. They don't believe the existence of God. Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Sorry, my network dropped.
Hari Bol.
Should I read?
Yes, Mataji.
महात्मानस्तु मां पार्थ दैवीं प्रकृतिमाश्रिताः भजन्त्यनन्यमनसः ज्ञात्वा भूतादिमव्ययम्. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So Krishna spoke about the mudhas, the fools. Now in this shloka, Krishna is speaking about Mahatmas who are there. O son of Pritha, those who are not deluded, the fools are deluded. These people, Krishna who is talking right now, they are not deluded. They are the great souls, are under the protection of the divine nature. Once you take the path of serving Krishna, just you turn. You might have not started the devotional service. You would have just stood in front of Krishna and said, Krishna, whatever I've done till now, I don't know what to do. Yeah. From today, from this second, I will be your devotee. Enough, that much if you start and you just put a tiny little step, yeah, very tiny little step, slowly also, yeah, they are under protection and gradually you will progress and you will become a great soul. So they are always under the divine protection. They are fully engaged in devotional service. Why? Because they know me as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, original and inexhaustible. What will fools think? He's just a normal human being. One or the other day, he'll become weak, he will age, he will die. People will forget him. He's temporary. Yeah, he is not original. He is duplicate. Yeah, all these things are done by the fools. But the great souls, the Mahatmas, they are never deluded. They can do devotional service to Krishna because they know who Krishna is. Who Krishna is. Yes. So there are two Mayas. I've already told you in my previous class. Can you tell me what is the difference between Mahamaya and Yoga Maya? Mahamaya and Yoga Maya.
Yoga Maya pulls you towards, enjoying your fruitive action, whereas Mahamaya tries to get you out of that phase where you try to enjoy all your fruits.
Slightly correct, Mataji. Anyone else would like to answer? Mahamaya is for material world. She controls material world, Mahamaya. What about Yoga Maya? Yoga Maya, she is controlling the spiritual world. So if you want to enjoy the materialistic life, Mahamaya will help you to gain all those things and pay for all your karmas. Yoga Maya, when you turn towards Krishna and decide to serve him, Yoga Maya will see to that you will achieve him. Achieve him. Yes, so please understand whatever I'm discussing with you in the level 1 is just, very less, just not even 10% I'm discussing, and I cannot get into deep of this Krishna's instructions. Yeah, I'm just giving you only the brief introduction about it. If you want to know it, you have to read it in detail. For that reason, we have different levels of classes. You will have exam, you will have assignments, which can help you to seriously study about this Bhagavad Gita. Yes, please make use of it. Okay. Yes, Chitra Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Satatam kirtayantu mam yatantascha dridhavritaha namasyantascha mam bhaktya nityayukta upasate.
Hare Krishna. Satatam kirtayanto mam. Always chanting my glories. Satatam, continuously, always. Kirtana. Chavanam Kirtanam, chanting. Kirtanam means chanting, singing Lord's name. Mam means me. Endeavoring with great determination, bowing down before me. These great soul perpetually worship me with devotion. Yes, with devotion.
This is the story of the Hare Krishna people.
Hare Krishna. So that's just a very short video. What was announced at the end? This is our story. The Hare Krishna people, the ISKCON people. What is our story? Nothing. Very simple. Always chanting the glories of Sri Krishna, sharing the instruction given by Sri Krishna with everyone, and staying happily by sharing it. Yeah, bowing down to Sri Krishna. Yeah, always worshipping with them, and whatever the activities we are doing, we try to fix our mind on Sri Krishna. Slowly we are progressing by the shelter taken. We take from the bona fide spiritual master associated with the devotees of the Lord. Yes, continuously the devotees of Sri Krishna serve Krishna alone. Yes, serve Krishna alone. Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Pitaham asya jagataha Tadata Pitamaha Vedhyam Pavitram Omkara Riksamaya Jurevacha.
Hare Krishna. So please remember the shloka 9.17. Many questions were asked to us. We thought Krishna is avatar of Vishnu. Brahma is very important. Shiva is here. From where did Krishna come? Why Krishna is superior? Please listen to this shloka very carefully. Pitaham asya jagato mata data pitamaha. I am the father of this universe, the mother, the support, and the grandsire. I am the object of knowledge, the purifier and the syllabi Om. I am also Rik, the Sama, and the Yajurveda. So please note here, Krishna has said, I am the father of this universe, the mother, the support, and the grandsire. If he really had father, mother, when Krishna could explain till chapter number 18, he would have just told one statement. This is my father, this is my mother, or I am the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Nowhere he says that. Everywhere he says, he is the seed-giving father, he is the mother, he is the grandsire, he is the origin of all materialistic and spiritual world. He is the one who creates, he is the one who annihilates. That is the secret. That is the secret. Many of them, they won't read Bhagavad Gita. They won't understand as Krishna has instructed. No way, they don't get it. That is the reason we all are confused. Why Krishna? Huh? And when I read Bhagavad Gita, I was confused. When Krishna has so clearly said that he is the father of this universe, the mother, the support, and the grandsire, and he is the object of knowledge, because the Vedas, which we all get the instruction, was given by Lord Sri Krishna only to Narayana. Yeah, because he's expansion, and Narayana gave it to Brahma. So he's telling, I am the object of knowledge. So from the Vedas and all, what you have to know Krishna only, because he is the object of the knowledge. Yes. And our doubts will end here. In Shloka number 9.17, there is no one superior to Krishna. Krishna is not avatar of Vishnu. No, Krishna is the original, inexhaustible. He is the father of us, mother of us. That's it. Yes, that's it. I am the goal, the sustainer, the master, the witness, the abode, the refuge, and the dearest friend. I am the creation and the annihilation, the basis of everything, the resting place, and the eternal seed. Eternal seed, the bija. For all the creation, there should be a seed, isn't it? He is that eternal seed. Oh Arjuna, I give heat and I withhold and send forth the rain. I am immortality and I am also death personified. Both spirit and matter are in me. So clearly Krishna has declared in these shlokas. That is why this is the Rajaguhya, the knowledge, the king of knowledge, and the secret, the topmost secret, the confidential knowledge. Yes, Mataji. Someone is
Hare Krishna
talking.
Mataji.
Mataji.
त्रैविद्यामां सोपपापूतपापाः यज्ञैरिष्ट्वा स्वरगतिं प्रार्थयन्त्ये ते पुण्यम् आसाद्य सुरेन्द्रलोकम् अश्नन्ति दिव्यान् दिवि देवभोगान्.
Hare Krishna. Shloka number 20, Krishna is telling, those who study the Vedas and drink the Soma juice, seeking the heavenly planets, worship me indirectly. So, in the Vedas, they are given us to perform certain duties or activities, wherein by doing so, you will gain punya. And you know that when we get punya, we'll go to heavenly planets to enjoy it. There you get the soma juice and all. It's a type of juice, okay? And how do you get it? By following or studying the Vedas and following the instruction given in the Vedas. So people who do so are indirectly worshipping Krishna. Purified of sinful reactions, they take birth on the pious heavenly planet of Indra. So we all will go there. Where? To the planet where Indra is there, Devan Devatas, that is called as Swarga. We already saw yesterday, where they enjoy godly delights. Okay, godly delights. And then Krishna tells, when they have thus enjoyed vast heavenly sense pleasure and the results of their pious activities are exhausted. Once their punya, the account of punya, what they earned is over, they finished enjoying it in the heavenly planet, in the palace, in the kingdom of Indradev. What will happen? They return to this mortal planet again, will come back to this earth again, the material world. Thus, those who seek sense enjoyment by adhering to the principles of three Vedas achieve only repeated birth and death. So whatever you get it from the Vedas, and if you follow it, again you're going to fall to the cycle of birth and death. So you can see a person is happily going down and again he'll happily go up, again he'll fall down. Yes. And you know this go merry around, yeah. So this wheel, yeah, it takes you once up and again you come down, again you go up and you go down, yeah. Same thing will happen to us. Same thing will happen to us. Yes, Teju Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
अनन्याश्चिन्तयन्तो मा ये जना पर्युपासते तेषा नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्.
Hare Krishna. But those who always worship me with exclusive devotion, meditating on my transcendental form, to them I carry what they lack and I preserve what they have. So Krishna in the previous chapter described a bit about his place. Now he's telling what facilities he provides for his devotees. So beautiful, no? Yeah. So this is a very wonderful pastime of Lord Sri Krishna. Yes. What happened? There was a very poor fruit selling lady, yeah, in the village. She was moving around, calling for the people to buy the fruits. So she was just telling, come on, please take this fruit. Yeah. She was like, advertising herself about the fruits what she was carrying. But as she was passing through the town, she heard people talking about Nanda Maharaj's son. Such a little boy, he killed the demon alone. He is not just a human. I think he is the form of Lord. He has come down. He's so beautiful. He talks so nicely. He's so powerful. So everyone, all the men and women were discussing about this Nanda Maharaj, small little child. So this fruit selling lady was so much into this hearing about that small child. She completely immersed herself in telling that, I don't know, I have to see this boy. Who is this boy? Who is this boy? All are talking about him. So she was listening about him, that she was completely focused and determined that let me get only one chance to see this person. So when instead of calling, please come take the fruit, fresh fruit, it's of this rate, instead of calling like this, which she used to do usually, what she started telling, she started calling like this. Krishna, Madhava. Yeah, they were all calling Krishna by this name, no? Krishna, Madhava, Gopala. She started calling like this. Yeah, and when she approached the door of Nanda Maharaj, so Nanda Maharaj and his beautiful wife, Yashoda Maya, they came to purchase the fruits. And at that time, they were giving the grains as an exchange to the other commodities. So they brought some grains and they offered to the lady and they purchased some fruit. And behind, when a devotee is completely fixed their mind on Krishna and they are desiring to see him, calling out his name with love, Krishna will for surely come. He has already told us, isn't it? So he comes running with that small, tiny little feet, and he was holding the grains in his small, cute hands. Because he was coming running, when he opened his palm in front of that fruit selling lady, he had only few countable, only 2 or 3 grains of rice. So what happened? The lady saw and she was so happy that his darshan itself was everything to her. Completely focused on his beautiful face. She was immersed in that love, in that beautiful smile of Krishna. And what she did, she just got few grains of prize given to her by Krishna. So what she has to do? Maximum kid has 2 hands. You can give one hand one fruit and another hand another fruit. Done. That's all. We are all business minded. No, we can't give more than that. But see what that lady has done. She filled the hands of Krishna more than he can carry. The small little child was holding so many of the fruits. Yeah. And Krishna, whatever the little grains he had put to the basket of that lady, that entire basket was filled with valuable germs and precious germs. Yeah. This is how we also should be like that. We have to do to our maximum whatever is possible. Krishna might give us little happiness. You should not ask, Krishna, why have you not given me a comfortable life? Krishna, where are you protecting me? Krishna, my hand got cut. Where were you at that time? We are expecting Krishna to give us more than what we need to hold. Krishna gave, why are you not giving? Giving. But it should be other way around. Whatever you have. That lady had fruit, so she gave fruit. You can sing for Krishna. You can cook nicely, cook for Krishna. You can dance for Krishna. You can preach for Krishna. You can sell the books of Krishna, Bhagavad Gita to others. Then do that to your maximum. Yes, that is what we have to do. So Krishna has already assured us, to them I carry what they lack and I preserve what they have. Then why should we worried about it? If I'm lacking something, Krishna knows better than anyone. He will give to us. Yes, and whatever is with us, if he thinks that is what we need to have, then he'll preserve it for sure. Who will give you this assurance more than anyone? So those who are devotees of other gods and who worship them with faith actually worship only me, O son of Kunti, but they do so in a wrong way. So as we understand from the previous chapters and this chapter, Krishna told he is the origin of everything. So all the demigods, all the gods, everyone are from him. So I gave an example of, as Prabhupada has explained to us, when you water a tree, you put the water to the roots of the tree. You don't put to every part of the plant. But now you're watering to one leaf. You're worshipping a specific god. Then you're watering only to the leaf. So the water goes indirectly to the root, not directly. It's a wrong way of watering the tree. Yes? Yes? So Krishna is giving this information to us. Yes? Yes, Chitra Mataji.
येऽप्यन्य देवता भक्ताः यजन्ते
Bhutani yanti bhutejya.
यान्ति देवव्रता. Sorry, Mataji, my network is jumping a lot.
I can hear
यान्ति
you.
देवव्रता देवान् पितॄन् यान्ति पितृव्रताः भूतानि यान्ति भूतेज्य यान्ति मां मद्याजिनोऽपि माम्.
Hare Krishna. So those who worship the demigods will take birth among the demigods. Those who worship ghosts and spirits will take birth among such beings. Those who worship ancestors go to the ancestors. And those who worship me will live with me. Clear-cut instruction. Yes? Yes? So please choose whom you want to worship. Yes? Where you want to go. Yesterday we showed the Goloka chart. Krishna explained about his place, isn't it? So you have the information where all you can go. Please choose where you have to go and please do the activities related to that. Yes, so that's the beauty of the secret what Krishna is doing. Yes, so shloka number 26. Yes, Teju Mataji.
पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं यो मे भक्त्या प्रयच्छति तदहं भक्त्युपहृतम् अश्नामि प्रयतात्मनः.
Hare Krishna. If one offers me with love and devotion, a leaf, patram, a flower, pushpam, fruit, phalam, or yam, water, toyam, water, I will accept. That's enough. If you have any of this, any one of this also, please offer with love. Krishna, in my home, they are eating everything. One of the Mataji said, I cannot offer. I'm in the hostel. They are eating onion, garlic, etc., etc. Don't worry. He knows your condition better than you. Yeah. Just take a glass of water and keep it in front of him. Krishna, please have this water. Krishna is not a person who is waiting for you to feed him. Yeah. If he wants, he can get everything. He is the owner of everything. Yeah. He doesn't need you to feed him every time, but he wants us to serve him. That is the duty of all of us. Yes. He's telling us, offer me. That is the instruction he's giving to us. How? With love and devotion. Even just one leaf of tulsi you offer also, Krishna will accept it. I will accept it. So the devotees of the Lord, they prepare a variety of delicious food for Krishna only. I like khichdi. I like khichdi very much. It is so chill. Let me prepare hot khichdi and eat. Then that is karma khanda. I want to eat khichdi. Let me keep it to Krishna. That is kind of karma yoga. But I want to prepare khichdi to Krishna. He's feeling very chill, or it is his favorite. Let me prepare and give. That is bhakti, love, devotion. Yes, or else you have a number of fruits. Please offer any one kind of fruit, whichever seasonal fruit or whichever is available. If not, at least a glass of water, milk, curd, butter. Yeah, and please note that on all the offerings we have kept tulsi leaf. Yeah, please offer with tulsi. Yes, Chitra Mataji, if your network is
Hare
fine.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yat karoshi yadashnasi yajjuhosi dadasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya tat kurushva madarpanam. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Very important shloka again. O son of Kunti, yat karoshi, all that you do, all that you eat, all that you, okay, all that you offer and give away, as well as all austerities that you may perform. Everything, in turn, everything what Krishna is telling, whatever you do, you're studying, I'm taking class now. Yeah, if you see at the end of class, I will say Krishna Arpanamastu. So the class which I did is for no one, it's for only Krishna. Yeah, all that you do. So whatever we eat, we have to offer to Krishna. We should first offer to him and then eat. All that you offer and give away. For example, I have some money and someone is in the need of that money, I'll give to them. And you should not think like you are giving to that person, you are giving it to Lord Sri Krishna. And when you do donation for the temples where they give you the education about Krishna, the knowledge, the spiritual knowledge, and the money which you give for the service of the Lord in the temple, don't think I'm giving to the temple pujari, I gave to this temple, that temple, I gave to this person, I gave to this village, this school. No, you're giving it for Krishna. Whatever austerities you do, I did for my family, I did it for my lover. I did the upvas for my husband. I did it for my wife. I did it for my children. No. All the austerities that you may perform should be done as an offering unto me. That's it. Very simple. Krishna said, this entire path, the knowledge what you have, when you practice, it should be done joyfully. Joyfully. Yes, in this way, you will be freed from bondage to work and its auspicious and inauspicious results. So you'll never be bound to the work you do, nor its results, which could be auspicious and inauspicious. With your mind fixed on me, in this principle of renunciation, you will be liberated and come to me. So you want to get liberated from the material world and you want to go to Krishna. Where is Krishna? Anyone remembers what is the place where Krishna is there?
Golka.
Goloka.
Goloka Vrindan.
Hari
Vrindavan.
bol. We'll all go to Goloka Vrindavan. How to get the ticket? Take Bhagavad Gita. Hold your chanting means chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Whatever Krishna has instructed, slowly, step by step, let's try to follow. No, Mataji, we cannot do Mataji, we can't chant, we know we should go to Krishna, but we don't have time to do devotional service. But please be aware, whatever activity you do, Papa or Punya, and you know where we will go and what will happen to us. Yeah, that is what the clear instructions and knowledge given by Krishna. And here further Krishna tells, I envy no one, nor I am partial to anyone, because we all are Krishna's children. Can a mother differentiate among their children? Not at all. I envy no one, nor I am partial to anyone. I am equal to all. But whoever renders service unto me in devotion is a friend, is in me, and I am also a friend to him. Yes, like when a child helps his mother or her mother, what happens? Mother will always take care. For example, when a baby keeps on crying and another baby is doing his activity, enjoying and playing with its toy, where will the mother's attention be? On the baby which is crying or which is totally engaged in playing in the toys? Where will it be?
Baby that is crying.
Very good. One of the kid, he can walk, he knows the place, he nicely enjoys roaming around. Another baby tells he wants mama only, doesn't know where to go. He's totally dependent on mama. He'll be holding the hand of mother. Where will the concentration of mother be? On the kid who is holding one or one is enjoying living the hand of mother? The one who is holding the mother's hand. We are also that. Who are we? If we are the devotees. We are crying for Krishna. Krishna, please give me a chance to serve you. Calling every time, Mama, Mama, Mama. We are calling Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. And then what we are doing? We are surrendered to Krishna. We don't know what to do. Whatever we do, we are telling Mama, is this okay? Mama, this is for you. And we are holding his hand. Yeah, we are holding his hand. So you are holding his hand initially. You think we should hold Krishna's hand. You need not hold. When you surrender to Krishna, Krishna will hold you. Yes. See, if you're holding your mother's hand, chances are high you might leave the hand and you might escape, yeah, in the crowd or somewhere when you are going with your mother. But if mother is holding your hand, she will strongly hold you. She will never leave. Same way, if we do devotional service, Krishna has told, we will be protected by the divine nature. He will give us what is lacking in our life and he'll protect what is there in our life. And he is telling us we are very special to him because we are rendering service and we are friend to him and he is our friend. Yes, because we are seeking attention from Krishna. We want Krishna. We are surrendered. We are telling, I don't know what to do, Krishna. I'm surrendered unto you. Yes, that is the beauty. Yes, that is the beauty. Even if one commits the most abominable action, if he is engaged in devotional service, he is to be considered saintly because he is properly situated in his determination. Very important shloka again. Many people think, I've already committed so much of mistakes, I've committed sins. I'm not fit to even take Lord's name. So they will think, already we have done so many sins. Now what is the use to do? There are people saying it, yeah. But Krishna is telling, even if one commits the most abominable action, if he is engaged in devotional service, he is considered saintly. Why? Once if you start your devotional service, then it means you are properly situated in determination. You have a determination fixed on what? Serving Krishna. If you come to that stage, you are considered as a saintly person. Whatever could be your past, whatever could be your past. Now, taking this as a support, can a person think, okay, Mataji told in the class, if you chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, all our sins will burn, it seems. So what I'll do, today I'll do all kind of sinful activities. Tomorrow I'll sit for 2-3 hours and I'll chant so that all my papa or the sin will burn off. Can a person do such sinful activities? Can you do and use the chanting of Lord's name for protecting you?
No, Mataji.
What will happen? Krishna is going to scold you?
No, Mataji. But again, it will be like we are thinking of the fruit,
Yes.
result of the action, and not in Lord Krishna's devotion, not the devotional service.
Exactly. Please note, yesterday when I told you Ajamila's story, as soon as Ajamila took Lord's name Narayana carelessly, he was not taken to Vishnu Loka. No, he was given a chance. And when he was given the chance, he had to do devotional service and he has to go to that perfect stage. Only after that, he was taken to Vishnu Loka. We think we are intelligent. Please note, Krishna is far more intelligent than us, where we can't even see him. Huh? He quickly becomes righteous and attains lasting peace. So whatever you're done, don't bother. Hmm? Immediately, even to this second, you're done all sinful activities. You're thinking very, very worst kind of situation. You're doing things which are not fit for anyone, and you're troubling, torturing, whatever it could be. Whatever it could be, to this second, if you turn towards Krishna and start your devotional service, quickly he'll become righteous and attains lasting peace. O son of Kunti, declare it boldly that my devotee never perishes. Never. So what is the quality you should have? You should become a devotee. Devotee. So if you see Prahlad Maharaj, he was born to a Rakshasa, isn't it? Rakshasa, that small kid, he told his father, when his father asked, is your Narayana here? Is your Narayana in this wall? Is he in the pillar? He knows that Lord is everywhere. We read in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna said, I mean everything is in me. We just know the knowledge. But Prahlad Maharaj said, yes, my Lord is there everywhere. And when he wanted to test who? His father, Hiranyakashipu, what he did? He broke that pillar where he asked, does your Narayana stay inside? Yes, yes, father, my Narayana is there. And Narayana did not think, a small little boy, something he's talking to his father. Why should I waste my time and go there and give darshan? No. His devotee could be anyone. If they have faith and do devotional service, he has told they will be protected. They'll never perish. So what happened? He came out of that pillar and protected his son. Yeah, even though he is born as a Rakshasa, a demon, still he protected. So it doesn't matter what condition you are, doesn't matter whether you are into the caste, what we have, whether you are falling into any type of varnas, what Krishna has created, where Krishna is telling this. O son of Pritha, those who take shelter in me, though they be of lower birth, women, Vaishyas, as well as Shudras can approach the supreme destination. Anyone to that extent, not only just Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, the higher class, no one. Everyone is eligible. If you take the best associate of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Kali Yuga, Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur was raised in a Muslim family, but he became the greatest devotee of Lord Shri Krishna and he gained liberation. So anyone can take up this Krishna consciousness. Same thing, Srila Prabhupada also practiced. He went to the Western world. The people were taking drugs, highly intoxicated, and they didn't know what to do in their life. And those people start reading Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, and see how beautifully they have dressed, they are chanting. Even now, we have high number of devotees in the foreign countries. Everyone is eligible to take this Krishna consciousness. Everyone. Yes, Mataji?
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Manmana bhava madhyastha
So,
yajima namastu mami vaishyasi yuktvaivam atmanam madvaraya.
So please remember the shloka. Again, the shloka will be repeated in the last chapter with last two stanzas little bit different. Krishna is telling, engage your mind always in thinking of me, offer obeisance and worship me, being complete, absorbed in me, surely you will come to me. That's all is the role of a devotee. So anyone can do this. Anyone, in any condition. What is the condition? This one. What is the route? What is the ticket for us to go? Always engage your mind in thinking of Krishna. Yeah, offer your obeisance to him, worship him, and be completely absorbed in Krishna. For sure, there is no doubt. Krishna has repeated shloka after shloka. He is repeated and repeated. He's telling, for surely you will come to me. So by this chapter number 9 is done. So we come to know Krishna glorifies the knowledge. So this is the secret. Whatever condition you are, however you are, if you take this devotional path, if you serve Krishna, you will go to Krishna. There is no doubt. There is no doubt. There is no doubt. That's the secret of Bhagavad Gita. So many people think in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is telling about Karma Yoga, there is Sankhya Yoga, there is Jnana Yoga, there is Dhyana Yoga, and each and everyone follow one or the other thing. But if you see the secret of Bhagavad Gita, which Krishna is telling, the Raja Vidya, the secret of all the secrets, the topmost secret, the confidential knowledge, Krishna is telling what? Bhakti Yoga, devotional service. Yeah, and he's telling only by doing devotional service you will come to me. It's like, and you're going to take a lift instead of stepping through the stairs. So if you want to do only Jnana Yoga, you will be reading only Bhagavad Gita. Yeah, you will be getting Jnana, the knowledge. If you get Dhyana, you will be just chanting, meditating, I mean to say, sorry, Dhyana, meditating you will be doing. How will you go to Krishna immediately? Not possible. You need years of your life to attain the Lord. But whoever is doing bhakti yoga, the devotional service, they will read Bhagavad Gita because they want to know Krishna. They will do chanting because that is the Yuga Dharma for this Kali Yuga. They will do all their works, Karma Yoga, they do all their works as a service to Krishna, isn't it? And they keep on chanting and they keep on doing all their activities, whatever they do for Krishna. Isn't it? They eat the food, whatever is offered to Krishna. So they are topmost. And Krishna's instruction given in chapter number 9 is followed by the devotees. And they'll go to Krishna. That's all. You choose any other path. What is the destination for you? Clearly Krishna has given. Yes. So the glories of Krishna Bhakti is given in the last shlokas and we understood it. So by this, we'll end today's chapter. That is chapter number 9. Hare Krishna. Yes, Simran Mataji, you raised your hand. I'm sorry. I hope that's not for reciting the shloka.
Mataji, Hare Krishna. I have a few questions. So the first question was in my mind, like if a person has done a very sinful activities, like extremely sinful activities in his past life, like anything, and then afterwards he changed his mind and he thought of doing devotion, then what will happen to that karma of the sinful activities he had done in the past?
Everything will be burnt out, Mataji. Done. Washed away. Now we
Like,
are
but
also, we have also done. I'm sorry. Tell Mataji.
yes, but I was saying that extremely sinful, which is not which we cannot like ignore or unsee it, like that kind of sinful activities, which he like from our point of view that sinful activities he should get punishment. That kind of how will that like be,
Yes,
remove?
Mataji. I do understand. Even Krishna tells in this chapter shloka number 13, even if one commits the most abominable action, means you can never forgive. It should be given punishment. We are humans. We are the lowest life. Yeah, we are conditioned by this material body, and we think they should be punished. And if you consider ourselves, no, if we do something, we have a very valid reason why we did it, and we are very, very, very pious for ourselves. We are very forgiving for ourselves. But when it comes to others, no. Even little mistake they do, we think that, oh, they deserve punishment. We have to punish them. Yeah, we are by nature like that, Mataji. But Krishna, the father of all of us, he is telling whatever you have done, whichever activities or the sins you have done, which is not, forgivable at all. Even then, if you serve me with faith, with lot of love and determination, without deluding yourself, you do devotional service, you will come to me for sure. You will never be perishable. That is what Krishna is, Mataji. But what we are doing, we are not taking the chance what Krishna has given. We are continuously doing the sinful activities and taking birth and again coming bound to this material world, living this body, and the cycle is going on. Is it okay, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. One
Hare
more
Krishna,
question.
Mataji. Can I take
Mataji,
I have one more
Yeah.
question. A little one.
Okay.
Who is Ishta Devta?
Anyone can be your Ishtadevata. Yes, Ishtadevata, you can have anyone, any of them, like whom you like, whom you relate yourself. Yes, you can have. Yes, it doesn't mean you should choose this person and that person only. You can choose anyone. Okay, Mataji? Any
Krishna
God.
can also be
Mataji,
my
can I'll start from here where the link is given so that we know the whole process, right?
Yes, sir. Suma Mataji, just hold in for 2 seconds. She'll explain the quiz and I'll come back to you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chitra Mataji, please go on. This is about the quiz. All of you had doubt, right?
So you come here, we log in to enroll. So whatever login credentials you have given, you need to give here, right? And then log in, right? I hope till here you don't have any problems, right? So then you go to your courses that you have registered for, right? You go to all courses. My network is a bit slow. Please bear with me today. Okay. So if you have already logged in before, it will show continue study. Sorry, I did the kids one. Select course, right? So you go to understanding Bhagavad Gita in 18 days, English, whatever you're registered for. Did I pass this? Yeah, continue study. So here you come. When it says understand Gita in 18 days, English version 2, this is the second version of the quiz for understanding Gita in 18 days. So this is not level 2. Okay. So here you click on, say, chapter 1. It goes into the lesson content and everything, right? And then there is quiz here. So you click on the quiz, right? So you can go to the quiz. Click on this chapter 1 and then say start quiz, right? So once you start quiz, you'll have question after question which will come. Here it says version 2, it is not level 2. Okay, so that's all I wanted to clarify. You keep clicking the next and it will keep taking you to the next once you finish the answering the first question, right? So that is how you need to go about. So any questions here that you want me to clarify, any doubts, I'm willing to take that.
Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Yeah.
So I think yesterday you stated that 70% is required. So that 70% is the complete 18 chapter or every chapter
Every
at least
chapter,
70%?
Mataji. I think, see, every chapter you need to clear. If you don't, you get another chance, you can You can redo that. So that is
Okay.
available. Okay.
Okay, Mataji.
Everybody gets a certificate here, So don't worry about it. Say you made mistake, you didn't get so much, you can retake this, that is available. Okay.
Okay, okay, Mataji.
Yeah.
Okay, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Any other doubts?
Mataji, when is the last date of submission of all these quiz questions?
You will get 1 day more than after 18th, So after that, I think they close the quiz usually.
Okay, Hare Krishna.
Yeah. 1 or 2 days you may get. There are no doubts, then I will close this. So I hope your doubt is clear, that you're not able to do. So this is a new lot of questions that have been put, for this batch onwards. So that's why it's saying version 2. It's not level 2. Okay. Thank you, Mataji. I hope everybody's doubt is got clear. Yeah.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. I think everyone will take 100%, Mataji. They will not retake. I'm very sure of this batch. No retaking.
Actually, there was Mataji, there was one confusion. The initial
Yeah.
link that you had shared had 20 questions, and
Yeah.
and now the link that you shared last that
Yes.
had 10 questions. So probably that's
New
what the
version,
confusion.
Mataji.
Okay,
They have
okay.
got new version. So they have named it as version 2 for that reason. It's not level 2. Hari bol, Hari bol,
Okay.
Hari bol. Yes, Suma Mataji, you had doubts. Chitra Mataji, thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Yeah. Yes, Suma Mataji, please continue. Ishta Devata, you can have anyone you like, Mataji. Any Devata whom you love, you can. Hare Krishna. Any other doubts?
Mataji, I have one question. Like, I'm actually have this confusion between karma yoga and bhakti yoga. What's the difference? Like you did mention, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is my understanding. So bhakti yoga, karma yoga is whatever work you do, you offer to the Lord, so that you don't get entangled with the bad and the good results. That was karma yoga, as per my understanding. But bhakti yoga is more of chanting holy name and offering food to Krishna. Is that correct? Is my understanding correct?
Yes, Mataji. Whatever Krishna told today, in this chapter, you have, no? Yes, said us to Manmana Bhava Mad Bhakto, Madhyaji Mam Namaskuru. That is what we have to do. Very simple, nothing else, Mataji. Yes, if you do that, what Krishna has instructed for us, Mavi Vashyasi Yuktvaivam Atmanam Mat Parayanaha means please always think about me, engage your mind in thinking of me, means Krishna, and offer obeisances to him, worship him, and you should be completely absorbed in me. Like for example, what to tell? There is one of the Vidura's wife. Krishna goes to meet Vidura's wife. Okay, and she was so much in shock to see Krishna. She's a devotee of Lord. Okay, Vidura and his wife both are devotee of the Lord. When he went to see her, she was so much surprised, and she was in such a great, transcendental feeling that she didn't know what to do, and she has to serve Krishna. No, when someone has come to her, and her own master has come to home, what she did, she was peeling the banana and she was throwing the fruit and giving the peel to Krishna to eat. And Krishna was eating the peel. Until Vidura came and he shouted, "What are you doing? For my master, you are giving the fruit peel and you're throwing the fruit." Then only she came into consciousness. So that is what we have to also do. We have to do all our activities completely immersed, in Krishna's thoughts. Whatever you're doing, do for Krishna. That is what is Bhakti Yoga. No, Krishna, I'll do whatever I like. I'll do, like, for example, I want to do a work, I'll do it. And they will tell, you have seen some people, They will do everything and they'll tell, I left the results to God. Yeah. So that's a different thing. You are doing what you want and just leaving the results to Krishna. But Bhakti Yoga is you do everything for God. Even if I'm taking class for you, I'm not taking for you this class. I'm doing it for Krishna. If I
But this
give 10
becomes
rupees for
karma.
someone, sorry?
But Mataji, this becomes karma yoga, right? You're taking class for
Yes, that
Krishna. So how
everything.
is it?
See, just giving results, just not desiring results. No, you don't want desires. You don't have any desires. That is one thing. You are not going to accept any of the results what you get. That is another thing. Yeah, you will tell, I'm doing all the service. Why are you giving me this results? That is a different part. So you are karma means you are doing your activity. Yeah.
Mm.
So karma yoga and bhakti yoga is different. Very slight difference. There is always confusion in that. Yeah, little bit of confusion. Yeah, very, very closely related. Karma yoga means you do the work and give the results to Krishna. Here, bhakti yoga means you do all the work for Krishna. You're not doing
Okay.
only giving the results only. You're doing every activity for him. So chapter number 9 is a complete instruction about your bhakti yoga. Further, you have chapter number 12 in detail bhakti yoga. Krishna will tell in detail bhakti yoga. Yes, very shortly we'll go to that chapter also, Mataji. We'll understand it even more better there. Yeah, if further, whatever you have, Krishna is going to explain about Bhakti Yoga. Actually, first three chapters, 6 chapters, what you have, Krishna is giving us the knowledge. And from the middle 6, you get Bhakti. You'll know how to do Bhakti Yoga. And the last 6 chapters about the Jnana. Yeah, how to do your karma with using Jnana. So he has given instructions completely in these chapters. So Bhakti Yoga will be described in these middle 6 chapters. Yeah. So we'll approach there and we'll understand how to perform Bhakti. Yeah.
Yeah.
How to fix your mind on Krishna always.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
How to be absorbed in him completely. We'll understand one by one, Mataji, with example. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Just one more,
Yes.
one more question. In this, the map that you had shared with us, right? In that, when I was going through it, it was written on one place, Shiro Dakshaya Vishnu
Shiro
as
Dakshaya Vishnu.
Paramatma. As Paramatma, Super Soul is situated in everyone's heart. But it's
Yes.
Krishna who is situated in everyone's heart, and Vishnu is different. Then why is, I mean, I had a confusion there also.
Yes, Mataji. I know, it happens. See, Krishna has expanded to Shirodakshaya Vishnu, Karanodakshaya Vishnu, and Garbhodakshaya Vishnu. And the Shirodakshaya Vishnu is the one as Paramatma in everyone's heart. Now, it's like, you're seeing these entities like totally someone else. They're just expansion of Krishna. Yeah, it's like if you take a big mango and you cut a small piece of mango and you keep it aside. Yeah, it's a part and parcel of mango only. But the quality, what it has, the quality is same, the quantity is different. Similarly, the Vishnus we have, and Narayana is there in Vaikunta. And above in Golaka Vrindavana, Krishna is there, Balarama is there, Rama is there, so many. Yeah, so you get confused in that Krishna is different, Vishnu is different. Their quality wise, they are little different. These just the expansion of Sri Krishna. So if you want to understand Krishna, there are 3 levels. One is as Brahman, the light form. Yeah. And then comes Paramatma, who is in our heart. And finally, the Bhagavan, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna. These are the stages. Yes, Mataji. So don't get confused. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And for this to understand even more better, you have to go through the deeper study of Bhagavad Gita, yeah, where we have level 2 and level 3, Mataji. So because our time is very limited for these chapters, and you can see I'm taking every day some extra times, 15 minutes extra I'm running, almost sometimes 20 minutes extra I'm taking. I'm trying to give you as much as information as possible. You understood? But I'm not giving you the full information. I hope you get it, Mataji. Yes?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji,
Hare.
I have a
Sorry?
follow-up question to the first question which was asked as well as this question. So I will go
Yes.
in that order, Mataji. The first question is even in today's chapter, one sloka which says, if anyone has performed a very sinful activity, and then there is devotional service in the name of Lord, then that person goes to Lord Krishna. But then a
Yes.
few days back in that story that we heard, Mataji, where that king is giving charity to all the Brahman, and he was also doing charity, but then he takes the form of a lizard's body as part of that sin. So how do we know that we will go to Lord Krishna, even if, I mean, past may, if we have done some sinful activity, Mataji? Like, if you could just enlighten between these two differences, Mataji.
Yes. Yes, Mataji, such a beautiful question. I had explained there. I'll repeat it again for you now. What happened? Raga Maharaj, he did these charities for him, for his happiness, for his satisfaction, and for the rules to be followed. Krishna told whoever follows the instruction given in the Vedas, what will happen? They will go to heavenly planets. Where is the heavenly planets? In the universe itself, isn't it? And that's a material world itself. They'll come back. But please note, Raga Maharaj did not do devotional service for Krishna. If the same charity what he did, instead of doing it for himself, he would have done that charity as a service to Krishna. Helping others, doing charity, doing your work, yeah, doing your duty for your sake, that is going to put you in material world. But same thing you do for Krishna. You're giving someone the cow, isn't it? As a charity you gave. Don't think that you're giving it to a Brahmana. If Nriga Maharaj has thought that he is giving this charity to Krishna, for the pleasure of Krishna is doing, for sure he would have not met Yamaraja at all. Vishnu Dutta would have come and taken him to Vishnu Lokha. You understood the difference, Mataji? I was
Yes,
explaining to
yes,
one more
yes.
Mataji, same thing. Whatever we do it and we expect the results. You are only going to enjoy it. Yeah, you do charity. There are many people, I've asked them sometimes, why do you do charity? They will tell, I am helping someone today. Tomorrow someone might help me, or they might help my family, my kids. Means we are expecting the results from it. So you have some money, you want to do charity, do the charity as a service to Krishna. Same thing you do, same duty, but as a service to Krishna. That's all. So devotional service is the key, Mataji. If you do devotional service, however you are, the past is gone, but you should be determined. So I was a criminal before. I'm going to do devotional service today. And after some time, I could not do devotional service. I lost it. I got attracted again back to criminal works. I'll go back to being a criminal. Then done. You'll fall down. That's it. Yeah. You are not again going to be punished. But your devotional service, what you have done, it's there. That account is there. Again, when you take a life, wherever you start devotional service, the count will start from your previous life devotional service. If you have done 5%, 2% devotional service, in the next life, it will increase from 2, like 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, like that. You understood? But doesn't
Yes.
mean I have done all crimes, I'll do devotional service over. No, you should be fixed. You should be determined. You should proceed. You should succeed being a pure devotee. Then only you'll reach Krishna. Yes?
Yes,
That is
Mataji.
what
Yes,
Krishna is
Mataji.
claiming. Hare
Yes,
Krishna.
Mataji.
And I think you
Now,
had another.
Mataji, if now we are donating or the daily routine work which we are doing, in that also we are actually daily morning we'll pray God and we'll start our day, na? But so it is like we are now after getting up every day, I will look at myself and I will thank God for giving me another day. Huh? So in that way, in each work, I am remembering Krishna. So is it a type of devotive work, or it is like satisfying for myself? What is it?
If you are expecting any results for that, I'm doing this work early morning, I'm getting and cooking, I'm getting up and cooking, and I'm cooking for my family. If you have a thought like that, then yes, you're doing karma, just karma. Yeah. And whatever results come, you have to enjoy. I'm cooking for Krishna. I got up for Krishna. Actually, early morning when you get up, you should tell Krishna, thank you for the day. You're doing very much rightly. Then what you should do? You should ask, whatever I do, please accept as a service to you. And at the end of the day, Krishna, whatever I did, I'm offering it as a service to you, and go to bed.
Yeah, and I
Very
will
simple.
thank him and I will go to sleep.
Yes,
And before
Mataji.
going
And
out
when
also,
you're doing
I will pray
also,
him and I will go.
yes. And when you're
If
doing
I'm
also,
not able
please
to see
remember him.
him personally, physically, I will just remember his picture in my, I will close my eyes, I will remember him and I will continue with my work.
Yes, Mataji. If you
So,
drink water, the taste of water is Krishna. If you're seeing
yeah,
sunlight, you're seeing Krishna.
yeah, I thank him for everything, for
Yeah.
giving, for not giving, for everything. I will do like that only. So,
Very nice, Mataji.
is
Very
it
nice.
devotional type Mataji, or is it like I am
Yes.
satisfying myself?
No, no, no. If you're doing everything for Krishna, then it is devotional service,
Because I'm
Mataji.
cooking, I'm thinking that God is giving me energy. I'm able to do the work,
Yes.
and I am
Yes.
satisfying my family members or my daughter's hunger
Yes.
and my hunger. It is God's
Yes.
energy. God has given me the energy, and I'm offering Him as a
Exactly.
prasadam. As I am not able to sit, my daughter will offer
Yes.
it, and I will pack her
Very nice.
tiffin box and I will send her. In
Very
this way,
nice.
I am running my day, Mataji. So it is a
Right,
type of
Mataji.
devotional work only, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji, it is devotional service.
And I
You
stopped
can.
giving to beggars, Mataji, because they are taking
Very
and
good.
they are just not using it for proper purpose. When a person
Yes.
told me that they are having two flats, but they are sitting and they are begging here. From that time
Okay.
onwards, I lost this thing only in beggars.
Yeah. True,
I am not at
Mataji.
all feeling this thing,
Further,
Mataji.
Krishna will describe that in a chapter for whom you should do this dana.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it means
where you
we will
should
be
do, yeah.
affected because of that dana if they are
Yeah,
not
we'll come to that.
using it for a good cause.
Yes,
So
Mataji. We'll
mine is
come to that.
devotion one, no, Mataji? How can I
Yes,
increase it
Mataji.
more up to?
Please chant, Mataji. Chanting, chanting, chanting,
Yeah,
chanting.
that I am doing, Mataji.
Please chant.
That I am
How
doing
many
and praying
rounds
I
you
am
are-
doing.
How many
Now,
rounds you're
Mataji,
chanting?
actually minimum, Mataji, minimum I will do till 8, Mataji. And more than
Last
that,
time also
I
you
can't
said
say.
8. Okay. Last time you have to increase, Mataji. Chanting is very important. See, whatever the sins we have accumulated, you have to get rid of it, no? Yeah.
And one more that, Mataji, when you said sin, I got it in my mind. Mataji, in now these mosquitoes will come and these lice will come. Everything will be
Yeah.
there. In Atma will be there in everything, right, Mataji? When we are killing those things, we are also we are like a killer only, no, Mataji?
Yes, yes, absolutely, Mataji. For sure, for sure. We
Then
are. Then what, Mataji? We are killing. It's a sin only. I think her network, something happened. Yes, Anshika Mataji. I can't hear Maitreyi Mataji. Anshika Mataji, please ask your question. You raised your hand.
Mataji, are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes, Mataji.
Mataji, my question might seem a little foolish, but I want to understand, why did Krishna create everything? I mean,
Yes.
I understand that he's created everything with just one of his energies, but I want to understand why.
Why? Mataji, it's very, very simple like this. Like, for example, we have a beautiful country. So in that country, we have a prison. We have hospitals, right? We have school. Why do we have such arrangements? School is to give the knowledge for the people. School and you have the hospital for the people who have disease and cure them. And you have the prison to punish the people who, disturb the order of the system. Very simple, right? Similarly, Mataji, the different material worlds, the spiritual world, everything is created for such kind of conditions. Yes, if we have done any crime, the sins, then hell is created for us to take the punishment. And another type of sin purifying part is the earth. Yeah, you will come there. And if you have done any good things, you can enjoy in the heavenly planets. So similarly, like for example, you have a mall, you have cinema hall, you have theme parks, you have water parks. Why you can go and enjoy there. You understood? Same way, we have heavenly planets. And you have further spiritual world, you have Vaikunta. Then you have Goloka, Vrindavan. So each and every place what Krishna has created, this arrangement is for his superior energy, that is living entities. So some people have committed mistake. For example, if you see, Narada Muni was cursed by his father. Yeah, he did not obey him. He went to heavenly planets after cursing from Brahmaloka. He went to heavenly planets. Brahmagoloka is top, heavenly planets is below that. And when he was in heavenly planet, he again committed a mistake. There by Devan Devatas, he was cursed and he came down to earth. And when he came down to earth, he was a son of a sevaki, a normal lady who was serving some of the brahmanas in the ashrama. Because he was the Lord's devotee, he got a chance to be engaged with the devotees. So what happened? He could pay for his sins and he went back to service of Lord. So you see, if there are different stages, Brahmaloka was there, heavenly planets are there, earth are there. And if you commit even more mistake, you will go to hellish planet. So unless you don't have any criminals, you don't have any people getting disease, you have everyone educated, then you don't want a school, you don't want a hospital, you don't want a prison. If you all are satisfied and happy with Krishna, we all are in Goloka Vrindavan, then there would be only Goloka Vrindavan. We would not have any such arrangements, no hell, no heaven, no earth, no universe, no material world at all. Because we are doing such kind of activities and certain place should be created for us to enjoy or pay for it. We have all these arrangements, Mataji. You understood?
Yes,
And
Mataji,
yeah,
somewhat I understood. But
yes.
mostly what I wanted to uh, rephrase as the past, present, future, the soul. Why does it exist? Why is it created by him?
Why they are created means we are all sons of God. We are with him. Now, why is the reason creation started means Krishna is there and we all were created. We are the part and parcel of him. He is the full. He is the super soul. We are the soul. We are the part of him. Yes. And we are with him. We are the kids of him, with him. And we should be with him happily. Now, why you created means what to tell. We are part and parcel of him. Yeah. You're asking why existence of Lord only came. That is what your question is, isn't it? Past. Why he is there? Then why we are there? Then why this material world is there? Then what will happen to us further? That is what your question is, right? So this is how we all, you can see Srimad Bhagavatam. Kindly attend the classes for Bhagavatam or start reading Bhagavatam. Complete description is there. From the creation, all the avatars of the Lord, everything is explained very detailed in there. Up to Kali Yuga, what will happen in Kali Yuga, after that what will happen, everything is explained in detail there. But because we are taking Bhagavad Gita class, I'm just answering your curious questions a bit here and there, so that I'll keep that fire of your questioning, yeah, so that you can search for other scriptures, especially Srimad Bhagavatam, read it and understand it. Yeah. So now I'm just constrained to myself, completely occupied in telling what Krishna has told in Bhagavad Gita, Mataji. Yeah. For that you to understand, I have to start with Bhagavatam class. Yeah. Yes. Is it okay, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji, thank you.
Yes, so we are taking Bhagavatam class also. Please join. You are having a very valid question, Mataji. Everyone has this question. We also think same thing before. We were thinking, why he should create us first of all? Why he should send us here? Why should I choose devotional service? I would have been with him only, no? First of all, why I should take birth? You have all these questions. Like everyone, we get this common question. Yeah, it's not like something only you're getting, Mataji. We all got, and the answer is there in Srimad Bhagavatam. Yeah, and the reason why it happened, what is going to happen to us, everything is there. Yeah, but we are already come here. First, you understand here why we came, we are asking. But how to go back from here, that is important for us, right? That's very important. What will you do by knowing what happened to our past? Yes, many people don't have time to read Bhagavad Gita only. Bhagavatam is even bigger than this. Yeah, we have 12 cantos. Here we have only one book, Bhagavad Gita. That is 12 cantos. 12 big books are there. Yeah. So this one book only we are not reading. So if you keep on thinking about the past, why did I come? What was the reason I'm here? then we are wasting our time. What is the very important for us? I have come here, done. How to escape from here? How to go out of from here? That is the intelligence, isn't it, Mataji? That is where we have to think about. It's good you have to have knowledge what happened to you previously. Read Bhagavatam. But in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna gives us clear instruction to escape from the cycle of birth and death. Go out from this material world. So we should make use of it. We have very less time. Kali Yuga, people have a very less lifespan. Before it was around 100, now 70, 80 itself is difficult for us, right? We don't have much life year left. And when you get human body, only you can do devotional service. When you are in this material world, only you can do devotional. You cannot go to heavenly planets, can't do devotional service. In hell, you cannot do devotional service. Only on the earth, you can do devotional service. This is only option for us. So instead of speculating what happened, why happened, and wasting our time, better to start devotional service and leave this world. Anyhow, we are doing all the activities. Krishna told us do work. He didn't tell us not to do work. Already you're doing all kind of works. Just do it for Krishna. That's all is the change. You're not doing anything extra. We are eating food, we are sleeping, we are working. Yeah, we are doing hundreds of actions. Just do it for Krishna. That's all Shri Krishna is asking. And it could be done easily and happily. It's not a difficult job. It's an easy job. Even though you don't believe that the results we get as Krishna is telling, just try it. It's of no, it's not going to go as a waste. Just try it. Yeah, like how Ajamila just took this son's name as Narayana, he had benefit for it. So at least for the basis of trying, you just try your activities having Krishna in your mind, just do it. Yeah, you will have the benefits of it. Is it okay, Anshika Mataji?
Yes, Mataji, thank you.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Mataji, I have one more question.
Yes, Kamal Mataji.
So yesterday, even in this Goloka Vrindavan, the chart, Mataji, that you had showed, and it shows that there are different Vishnu avatars and different gods. And now we have realized that Lord Krishna itself is the source.
Yes.
So, if please forgive me for asking this, but
Need not mind you. Please ask.
if
Yes.
Lord Krishna wanted us to just be in his devotional service, then why are we having so many different avatars or different forms of Lord Krishna? Because I think every form, like Lord Krishna is expanding himself. But for us, for devotees, why do we have to go through different ways? Like the example that you were telling, Mataji. Why didn't we realize that we should water the roots itself, and why we were focusing on different parts of the plants, Mataji? Because this from yesterday, from I think the time I've understood that Lord Vishnu is one avatar of Lord Krishna. My entire thing is completely little bit shaken, Mataji. Like how is this? For so many years we have thought about this. So why didn't this? Why was this misconception not cleared earlier, Mataji? So why did Lord Krishna, have one form itself? Why so many forms, Mataji? I know it may be a little silly, but just to understand it more. We know Lord Rama, we know Lord Narsimha, we know Lord Vishnu, we know Lord Venkateshwara, different forms, Mataji. So if you could please enlighten on that, Mataji, a bit.
Yes, Mataji, very true, Mataji. See, because we are all ignorant, as I just explained to one of the question for the previous Mataji, same way, we are all ignorant and we are committing sins and we are desiring. So different worlds have been created for us, and to like monitor it and supply all the requirements for us, the Devan Devatas are there. Okay, that is the reason Lord is expanding here. Yeah, he is expanding and helping us to go back to him. Or if you want to enjoy in the material world, Maya Devi is put in charge and she is taking care. As I told you, if you did not have any desire, you did not want to do anything, you want to be only with Krishna, then this option would have not been there with us at all. You would have not studied the universe, etc., and all. No expansion, nothing. We all would have been with Krishna as gopis and gopas and enjoyingly dancing in Goloka Vrindavan. Because we have, for example, you see there are different layers. If you had read the Goloka chart, there are different layers. So it doesn't mean, for example, what to tell, when Duryodhana dead, he didn't go to hellish planets. They all went to heavenly planets, even though they committed sin. Why? Because they got death by Lord. They were seeing Lord when they died. Yeah, that is also a benefit. Yeah, when you think about Krishna, see only Krishna, you will get the different kind of liberation, the different types of liberations also. Everyone cannot be at Goloka Vrindavan. Doesn't mean if I do devotional service, I'll immediately go to Krishna. There are very important stages, and specifically you should do pure devotional service. That is one part. Yes, why we have to go, why Krishna is expanding so many places, why there is Yuga Avatar. Yeah, because Krishna is again coming again and again and telling us, I am the God, you have to do bhakti, you have to do bhakti. But we are forgetting. And if you see chapter number 4, shloka number 2, Krishna clearly mentioned to Arjuna that this first shloka he said, this knowledge I gave to Vivaswan, the sun god. And in the second shloka he said, this was received in chain of disciplic succession. Correct? But it was not passed on. Some of the king did not do it. They didn't pass on this information. That is why it did not reach up to Arjuna. And he's telling, I am telling this again to you. Same thing happened to us, Mataji. They did not read Bhagavad Gita. They did not pass on. Our parents did not read Bhagavad Gita. My grandparents did not read. They did not tell, read Bhagavad Gita every day. Read it and follow the instruction and lead your fight. They didn't tell. Yes, when Arjuna was at Dwapara Yuga only, he didn't come till Arjuna. We are in Kali Yuga. Oh, in even more worst condition. Yeah. Dwapara Yuga, at least devotees were there. We are in the worst condition. Devotees, no. You just search devotees. Percentage is very low. That is what we are losing. We are all in the illusion thinking that material world is starting and ending for us. Here only we are enjoying. Here only the real happiness is there. That is what we think. We are not having any knowledge about the outside part. So what we will do, for example, you go to any Devan Devatas, you do little bit of austerities. They're so Karunamayis, they're so, they're so pious people. If you go and beg for their blessings and some desires you want your wish to be fulfilled, you just pray, they'll give. If you see, there are many examples of demons, no? They did severe austerities and they got the boon, isn't it? They also did service to the demigods.
Yes,
Isn't it?
like
Yes.
Ravana praying to
So many
Lord
are
Shiva.
there. What they wanted material happiness. But if you want the spiritual permanent place, then you have to go to Krishna. Krishna is not telling you to don't worship them, don't do this, don't do that. You worship only me. No, he's telling if you worship them, you'll go here. If you worship me, you'll come to me. That's it. So that free will, what we have, no, that you have to do. So when you put a person to the prison, doesn't mean the person in the prison will become a good person. Is there a chances that he'll become a good person?
No, Mataji. Yes.
No, very less. Yeah.
Correct.
Similarly, we have done some sense or we desire to be in material world. We have come to material world. You should choose to be a devotee. Why you should choose to be a devotee? Because you want to go to Krishna. Similarly, when you're going to a prison, you should choose to change your character and make yourself a good person. No, even if I'm in 10 years in the jail, I'm going to be a criminal. After coming out of the jail, I'll be a criminal. Then what happens? You'll be again going back to the jail only. Yeah, prison only. Similarly, we are also like that. This is a prison for us. That's why I showed a picture yesterday also. Prison, a person escaping from the prison. We're all come here. Yeah, and Krishna is showing us the path. And even though Krishna is repeatedly telling in Bhagavad Gita, you might have seen many times he has repeated already, for sure, without doubt, you will come to me, you will come to me. We're not doing. What we are doing? We are just pleasing the gods, and we are asking for a lot of materialistic things. We are enjoying here, we are suffering
Correct.
here, again coming with another body, repeating everything. Yes?
Correct. Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. And I feel I am with you. I also felt same thing. When I went to Krishna consciousness first, and when I read Bhagavad Gita, I got tears in my eyes. I felt so sad that so many years of my life I wasted. I read so many books. Yeah, I did PhD.
Mm.
Till PhD, I've studied. I've read so many books. I was not fortunate to read that small little book which was going to show me the right path. I felt ashamed of myself. Yeah, yeah. That is how we all are come, Mataji. But please note, if Krishna's mercy should be there. Krishna has to
Yes.
decide that this is the right time for us to take up.
Yes,
Everything
Mataji.
happens because of His will. Nothing is in our hand. But we should be happy that at least at this age where we can chant properly, hear properly, do sadhana, you know,
Absolutely. Yes,
we are at
yes,
least
Mataji.
healthy now. For God's
Yes,
sake, we are
Mataji.
alive now. No? For Krishna's sake, we are alive now. Don't know. We might be alive or not tomorrow, but now I can chant, no? I can read
Yes,
Bhagavad
yes,
Gita. I can
Mataji.
see Krishna.
Very
We
true.
should be happy. We should be very happy, Mataji.
Yes,
Yes.
Mataji.
I hope
Thank
I've
you,
answered your
Mataji.
question, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna, Hare Krishna. Hari bol. So I think I have answered everyone's question. Yeah, there is no question here. They were all tanked for the class. Yes, anyways, we already came to half of Bhagavad Gita, that is 9 chapters. Then we have further few more chapters left. That is 9 more chapters left. So
Mataji,
please.
I'm sorry.
Hmm.
Just one more question, a little out of topic. This
Hmm.
44th batch of this understanding Gita, are you only taking it, Mataji, in English?
Chances are high, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji.
Yes, I'll let you know. Actually, Namnishta Prabhu he'll shuffle. Sometimes I'll get continuously. I'll let you know,
Oh,
Mataji. Yeah, please
okay,
register.
Mataji.
But please note one more thing. If you're thinking I am teaching well and you want to attend my class, then you are
Huh.
in completely delusion. No,
No,
many
no,
are.
Mataji.
Yes.
Sorry. The
Yeah.
44th batch of understanding Gita in 18 days, the same batch,
Hmm.
Mataji. The next
Same.
44th batch. So
Yes, same
I
40.
had spoken about this to my family, and they themselves are, very
Huh.
happy with whatever little I am doing for devotional
Hari
service.
bol.
So
Yes.
I was talking about how nicely the classes were going on. So if
Yes.
you are taking the next batch also, Mataji, I wanted my family members also to join this.
But I'm very happy that whatever you're telling, but Mataji, please note the truth is I am no one. Whatever I'm teaching is nothing. You should listen to the other teachers. I don't know. I cannot understand how beautifully they excel in teaching. Anyone comes to the batch, any batch, Mataji, please attend the classes. They're all good. Because the reason is whatever Krishna has said, we are just repeating. Nothing we are doing. We are not adding anything in there. And the devotees of the Lord will do only this much. They will not adulterate it by their own thoughts or their choices. We don't please. So I won't tell like, okay, do some work for you. It's okay. Little 2 works you do for you, 1 you do for Krishna. I will not tell. Yeah, even though
Yes.
many left the class, I want everyone to stay in the class. I'll tell, no, do anything. Krishna will take care. I'll never say whatever Krishna has told, that only I will tell. You understood?
Yes, Mataji.
All of
Yes,
us will do same thing only. And there are wonderful teachers, Mataji. I don't know, seeing them, I feel like I'm nothing in front of them. So please, whoever takes the class, okay,
yes,
whether
Mataji.
it is
Yes, Mataji.
anyone, kindly attend the classes, yeah, because don't know what will happen for us. Yeah,
Yes,
we don't
yes,
know.
Mataji.
It's like our life is kind of and it's not, you cannot assure what happens to us at any time. So please,
Yes,
whoever
Mataji.
takes the class, please attend. Yeah,
Yes, Mataji.
and if
Yes,
I am
Mataji.
there, I'm very happy to be with your family, and I'll do my best to give the information what Prabhupada has given and Krishna's instruction directly for you people. Okay, if not,
Yes,
also
Mataji.
register. attend.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay?
Yes, Mataji. Yes,
Hari
Mataji.
bol, Hari bol. Hari bol, Hare Krishna. So let's end today's class. We are crossing time every day. We are going 2 hours. Yes. Anyways, very happy to talk to you people and answer your questions. And I have to tell you people, you all are getting the right questions. Because when you question things like this, why he created, where is he, why we are here, why this material world, when you have all such questions only, you will get the answers. That is the beauty of knowing Krishna. If you don't get any question, means you're happily leading this life. You're happily leading this life. You understood? So please note that whatever you have the questions, don't keep it with yourself. Don't have such doubts. Clarify. I have given you the places where you can clarify, and I'm doing my best to give you the solution for your questions as much as possible. And because of time constraint, please note that we are not able to cover it in detail. Yeah, we are not able to cover it in detail. Very, very shortly, you will go to level 2 also. So whatever we are studying here, we are doing finishing one chapter in 1 day, in 1 hour. But there you're going to take slowly, a group of shlokas you're going to discuss in depth. Yeah, you'll have assignments. Yeah, if you don't like assignments, there is another batch without assignments, without exam. Yeah, but they will have even explanation will be more. Yeah, and they'll go to the depth of the instruction of Krishna with lot of more examples. Yeah, but don't stop it here. Don't just uh, estimate the like for example, you have a trailer for the movie, so don't stop at just seeing the trailer. Yeah, we are giving almost most of the information here for you to have that curiosity to know what Krishna has said completely. Yeah, we are trying our best. So please continue with your Bhagavad Gita studies. Don't stop here. Level 2, you register, study more. Once I finish the class, if you have time, please go through the chapter. Prabhupada has explained in the purport very nicely. Whatever I'm telling here, it's from Prabhupada's explanation only. I'm just repeating what he has given. Yeah. So please take this opportunity. Don't waste your time in materialistic things. Yeah. Don't waste your time in materialistic things. So we studied chapter 1 to 6, that is Karma Yoga. And later, now 7 to 12, we are discussing Bhakti Yoga. And finally, 13 to 18, Krishna is going to give us Jnana Yoga. They're all cumulatively given to us. Yeah, we are going to understand that day after day with every chapters as we cover. Yes, so we all will meet for tomorrow's class. Yes, that is your 10th chapter, the opulence of absolute, vibhuti, the opulence of absolute. What all Krishna has, the opulence of him. Yeah. So we'll understand Krishna even more better tomorrow, and we'll know why he is Supreme Personality of Godhead. Yeah, why we have to worship him. So telling that, let me end today's class. Hare Krishna, everyone. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभय एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. I think Chaitra Mataji left. Thank you very much, Chaitra Mataji. Sorry, Chitra Mataji. I don't know why I'm calling her Chaitra